And VLS check.
And Eurowings 31 Delta Alpha inside, runway 09 clear to land. Latest wind indication 010 degrees 8 knots, now variable between 330 and 040 degrees.
Eurowings 31 Delta Alpha, runway 09 clear to land. VLS 126, 128. Yeah, I can give you two more.
Yeah, please.
On the approach.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And pull speed 136, please.
Yeah.
So this is Ireo, and we want to be at 1,100. This is almost on pass, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think? We're clear to land.
Next.
Yeah, perfect. And you see the next village,
yep,
which is coming up. And please call me for the next radial. So 1,000, we just reduce the
next radial will be
the touch.
4, 5.
So we start the descent.
Yeah.
So 1,000 is good here, yeah.
So the next village we want to be 800, roughly 800 feet.
Yeah, about.
1,000.
Checked.
Checked.
So
now we have radial 245.
Turning.
Make a right turn.
Checked.
That's looking good. Here's the Glasshouse.
Yeah, check.
And the PAP is indicating 2 white and 2 red.
That's good. That's what we like.
400.
Yeah. Yeah. 3 red is okay.
300.
Runway 12 o'clock.
Yeah, inside.
And we're clear to land.
Yes.
Very nice.
200.
And the wind will stay like this.
Checked. Thank you.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. $70 knots.
Check. Manual brakes.
Eurowings 31 Delta Alpha, you may vacate to the left via Alpha 3 for stand number 7, please.
Eurowings 31 Delta Alpha, vacate to the left, Alpha 3, stand number 7. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and just for your information, departure flight plan is available back to Düsseldorf, and there is a slot CTOT 0905.
And Eurowings 31 Delta Alpha, we have the CTOT. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, very good. So taxiing to the left.
Yeah, stand will be